Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Canadian muscle saw, P51 Pioneer. Very popular in the 80s, and we'll take a close-up look at some of the features it has. Comes with a 20-inch bar and chain sprocket nose Windsor, 3/8 pitch, 50 gauge. Kill switch is right here on the left. Choke is right here on the right. Spark plug is over here. Decompression valve, and it's not working. It needs to be taken apart and cleaned if you want it to work. Most of the guys didn't use them out here. Got a large falling spike. Wrap handlebars. Top load on your oil reservoir and your gas reservoir. And there's where you loosen up the bar, and the tensioner is right here. It's an older saw. It still runs real well. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.